In this video, I would like to introduce to you what is the most common strumming pattern ever. This is not only common in recorded music, it is also a super common option for beginners to use or acoustic guitarists to use at any level in the songs they want to play when they're practically playing and singing and jamming along. This pattern is based on an 8th down and up rhythm, but it's the first one where we're missing a major beat. We're missing beat 3. We're not strumming on beat 3. And the most important thing we can do whenever we miss a beat is keep our arm moving. We did this with the strumming pattern down, 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 up, down. Well, when we strummed that pattern, our arm was always moving down, up, down, up, down, up as a motion. And that's the same thing we're going to do here. And this pattern, if I demo it with a G major chord, sounds like this. Let me demo it just the once. 3, 4. That's the pattern. That uses a motion of down, down, up, down. That is to a count of 1, 2, and 4. So we're not playing on beat 3. As the rhythm, that should technically be written with a tie, tying the up strum that is played at the 1, 2, and going over beat 3 to the and of beat 3. That is written as a tie, which is using this symbol. Nothing to be freaked out about, but can feel weird. And the only rule is just keep your hand moving to the same rhythm and you'll be able to do it right. So let's mute our strings with the chord playing hand, just so we can hear what we're percussively doing. And we're going to use the pattern down, down, up, down. I am still holding my pick on the side of the first finger. If you're holding it with 2 fingers, that's fine. You can even do the same pattern with your first finger. As we strum more, strumming with the flesh, which is needed for the up strum, may start to irritate your first finger. This is where the pick comes in real handy because it takes the force for us. Final demo before we have a go together. Small motion, slight twist of the wrist to create the down and up motion. Some movement of the forearm though as well. Nice and loose. 3, 4, demo, up, down, 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 up, down. Let's do it together this time. Join in with me in 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 1, 2, and 4. Let's do that same thing with a G major chord now and go for 4 repetitions of it. G major chord. Join in 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. The most common way people play this incorrectly is one of the few things that can be incorrect when we're playing music. Timing, rhythm, strumming. These are things that have a certain way of doing it. And it is with a pause at the top and playing down, down, up, down, up. That might sound correct. Doing something like that, it might not sound a lot different, but it is a real rule of rhythm and strumming on acoustic guitar and electric guitar that we have to keep this right hand moving. Otherwise, everything is going to fall apart. We need to keep down strums on the beat so that not only can we play the pattern that we're doing correctly, we can add embellishments and different strumming patterns and add to this later on. That's how we can do the cool stuff. We've got to persevere with this. So if you're ever pausing and this is happening, there's that stillness. That is a strong sign that you're doing this wrong. I recommend trying this with different chords, the D major chord, the A major chord, but just stay on one chord for the time being until it's sounding really solid at this sort of slow to mid-tempo kind of tempo. For example, on the D chord, we would want to be strumming from string 4 down or having the thumb on top if possible, but we can do down, down, up, down. And with a slight twist of the wrist, hitting fewer strings can be easier. No need to dig in and drag down and do big motions. No need. You can just chill out, do a smaller motion as needed to strum 4 strings in the case of the D major chord. Final time through. 2, 3, 4. We'll go for 4 times. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Once you can do it 4 times in a row, the rest of this work will be done along to the jam track. Make sure your chord changes are good, particularly that D to G chord change, along with that rhythm, and you'll be good to move forward.